3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺下晝2點，強烈熱帶風暴暹芭集結喺香港之西南偏南大約390公里，即係北緯18.9度、東經113.3度附近。預料向西北移動，時速大約18公里，大致移向廣東西部沿岸一帶。喺過去幾個鐘，暹芭繼續向西北移動，其相關嘅雨帶間中為廣東沿岸帶嚟大驟雨同埋猛烈嘅陣風。本港普遍吹強風，南部風勢較大。按照現時嘅預測路徑，暹芭今日大部分時間同香港保持超過300公里距離，預計3號強風信號會喺下晝5點之前維持。隨後會否改發8號烈風或暴風信號，就要視乎暹芭嘅發展同本港嘅風力變化。天文台會密切監察暹芭嘅動向。海面有大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊並停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘，橫瀾島同長洲泳灘分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時76同70公里，最高陣風分別係每小時95同95公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 kilometers per hour are expected. At 2 p.m., severe tropical storm Chaba was estimated to be about 390 kilometers south-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 18.9 degrees north, 113.3 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 18 kilometers per hour in the general direction of the coast of western Guangdong. In the past few hours, Chaba continued to track northwest. Its associated rainbands are occasionally bringing heavy showers and violent gusts to the coast of Guangdong. Strong winds are prevailing over Hong Kong. It is windier over the southern part of the territory. According to the present forecast track, Chaba will maintain a distance of over 300 kilometers from Hong Kong for most of the day. It is expected that the strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force before 5 p.m. The need to issue the number 8 gale or storm signal thereafter depends on the development of Chaba and the changes of the local winds. The observatory will closely monitor the movement of Chaba. Seas are rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Waglan Island and Cheung Chau Beach were 76 and 70 kilometers per hour with maximum gusts 95 and 95 kilometers per hour respectively.